Step number 1, grab your mobile phone or your computer, and step 2, click on the website just like this, and step 3, you can get paid starting today. Boom, as simple as that. So right now I want you to take a look at this, all of this real payment proof right here, and people from all over the world, they're making money right now. Take a look at this. George already cashed out $5 US, Estima $5 US, and this guy right here, Vivian, $42 US. Now when I scroll down below, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of people, they are cashing out every single day right on this website. So here's how much money you can actually earn from this website. If you click one time, you can earn about 87 cents. Now take a look at this. When you do 10 clicks, you're gonna earn $8.70. When you do 50 clicks, you earn about $43.50. And when you do 100 clicks, you can easily earn $87. And that's right, you can repeat this over and over again. This method today is 100% free, and this is available in all countries in the world. In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you a real life example so that you can watch me step by step exactly how to do this. And on top of that, I'll share with you a lot of bonus tips that can help you to make even more money online, so make sure you don't miss out on that. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Can you please scroll down below and help me to like this video? That means a lot to me, and you're absolutely amazing. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So right now, the first step, I want you to go onto this website, which is LightGPT, okay, lightgpt.com. So basically on this website, there are different ways that you can earn money online. Now the best way to make money on this website is actually PTC and video ads. Now PTC actually stands for paid to click, which means that you can actually get paid to click on website or click on advertisement. So I'll show you a real life example on how you can click on website just like this, or watching video ads just like this, and you can make a lot of money online. Make sure you keep watching all the way until the end. And once again, as you can see here, these are all the real payment proof right here on this website, and they are very transparent to show you how many ads and how many websites you actually click on them and how much money you already earn inside your account. Now one of the reasons why I love this website, because they give you instant withdrawal, right? Today within 24 hours you can actually cash out your earning. They do have a very low minimum payout, which is just 50 cents. You can begin to cash out your money. There are just so many different payment options right on this website. Right now I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your preferred payment method right in your country. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is just go ahead and click on this green button right here to register. And again, the best thing about this is that this is available in all countries in the world. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from, so that I can create more videos in your region in my future videos. So right now, before I show you the real life example on how to click on website and watch video ads and earn money, I want to show you the second website, which is Bucks Insight, okay, bucksinsight.com. And the reason why you want to sign up on both website, Bucks Insight and also LightGPT, because the more website you sign up, the more ads that you can click on the website, the more money you're gonna make. Now as you can see here, for the second website, Bucks Insight, you can get paid every 10 seconds. So look at that. These are all the real payment proof that people are cashing out their money every single day right on this website, and they're coming from different parts in the world. As you can see here, different countries from worldwide are able to make money and cash out their earning. I love this so much because they are just unlimited website that you can just click on them and earning 50 cents up to even $1 or $2. At Bucks Insight, you get paid just by browsing our advertisers website. Just click on the website, you can make money, and make sure you keep watching. I'll show you some real life example. So this opportunity you can cash out in many different methods. For example, Payza, PayPal Money, Perfect Money, Neteller, Payer, Skrill, Bitcoin, bank transfer, and there's just so many methods that you can cash out your earning. And then right here for Bucks Insight, you can cash out instantly today within 24 hours. And once again, you can cash out your money once you have reached $2 US, which is very easy. I want to show you right now. So right now, if you want to sign up your free account, just go ahead and click on this button right here, click on register, and then you're gonna come over to this page, and then right here just put in your username right here on this column, just put in your email address and confirm your email. And then once again, for the referral, I'm not gonna leave any referral code in my video. And then for the currency, you can choose whatever currency that you wish to get paid to. So in my case, I'll just choose on US dollars. And then right here for the payment method, you can choose on whatever payment method that you want. And then right here you can just choose on your birth year, as simple as that. And then for the final section right here, they want us to click on some icon to prove that we are not a robot, we are actual human. So in this case, they want me to click on the flag icon, and I just click on this one right here, and then I just click on that and understand and read and accept the term of service, and just go ahead and click on the register button, as simple as that. So right now I want to show you a real life example. Now once you log in into your account, you can find different ads that you can click on them and actually make money. So right here, as you can see, this is an example of banner ads that you can just click on them. Now for example, I click on this one right here, and then that's gonna take me to this website, as you can see here. So right now, very important, okay, make sure you pay attention. Now I want you to stay on this website for at least 30 seconds, okay, 30 seconds, so that you can actually credit the money into your account. So what I will do is that I'll go on and click on the second banner right here. For example, this one, I just click on that, and that's gonna take me to the second website, as you can see here. Now don't worry, you don't have to sign up any account, you don't have to do anything. Just stay on the website for at least 30 seconds so that you can actually receive your money. So make sure you don't waste any of your time. I want you to click on as many banner ads that you can. So I would recommend you to click on 5 or 10 ads at the same time so that you can wait 30 seconds all together, so that you can save a lot of time and make way more money compared to other people. So this is one way to do it, by just clicking on the banner ads. So that right there is the first way to make money, which is PTC, okay, get paid to click on ads. Now the second way is actually by clicking on video ads and also watching videos for 30 seconds. So once you successfully log in your account, you're able to go on to Hideout TV and find different videos and video ads to watch, and just click on them for 30 seconds and you can earn money online. So as you can see here, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of videos and ads that you can watch to make money online. In order to make sure that you actually get paid, I want to help you to sign up for a free account. Now I want you to go and click on the sign up button on top, and then you're going to come over to this page. Just scroll down below here and choose a username, your email address, and also your password, and just tick on this one right here, I'm not a robot, and just sign me up for a free account. So say for example, if I want to watch this video right here, I'll just click on this video, and then that's going to take me to this page where they'll start loading an advertisement right on this video. Now sometimes you'll have 1, 2 or even 3 advertisements right in front of the video. Now every ad that you watch, you can earn money online. With the more ads that you watch, the more money you're gonna make. Now depending on what video that you watch, sometimes you get 1, 2 or even 3 advertisements. Now some of the videos, they even give you 0 advertisement. Now don't worry, you can just go and click on other videos and make sure you have an advertisement in front of the video, and stay for 30 seconds and watch all the ads, and that's how you can make a lot of money online. Now don't worry, you can actually do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer. So what I want you to do is to actually click on multiple videos. So say for example, I'll click on this video, and this video right here, and open up multiple tabs. As you can see here, for example, this is the first video that I'm watching, and this is the second video. And the more videos I watch, the more ads that I can actually click on them, and I can make money online. And the second thing what I like about this website is that on the right section here, you'll see sponsored. Okay, sponsored meaning advertisement. Now all of these sponsored ads right here, whenever you click on them, you can actually make money online. So say for example, if I click on these ads right here, and then that's gonna take you to this website. So right now you just have to stay here for 30 seconds and you can receive your money. And once again, this is an incredible opportunity because you can make 2 streams of income at the same time by just watching videos for 30 seconds and also clicking on banner ads like this, and then stay there on the website for 30 seconds to receive your money. You have unlimited opportunity right on this website. There's so many videos, so many video ads that you can watch, and also so many banner ads inside the website that you can just click on them and actually get paid. And that's exactly how all of these guys right here, they're making a lot of money every single day by just clicking on website and also clicking on video ads.